So now we're over here for another one, and this one we are going to be like taking a dive into another tab that we have over here, or another link, and this one is going to be the admins. So the admins contains on this one function for displaying all the admins that we have, and the second one is going to be for the create admins page. Right, if you look up over here, we are going to be creating our own admins, and of course after we create them, we will make sure that we're actually logged in using our own admins. All right, so first of all, we're gonna take care of showing the admins, and we only have one down here. All right, so we're gonna be showing that. So if we go ahead, admins down here, we can see that admins.html, and we have down here create-admins.html. all right, so if we go to this one, we're gonna say down here that we need to like remove all of this and get our own header. We can get the header and the config from down here, so we don't waste any times. Yeah, this is not actually still an HTML like file. So if we go admins.php, now we can see that it's giving us the color, so it identifies that this is a PHP code. And if we go over here, we can grab like the folder, let's say 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So can go ahead and just paste it down here for. All right, so if we check this out now, actually let's go ahead at the header. This is an important like step to take. This is an important thing to do. We need to go ahead and like change those passes down here to our own passes down here with PHP. All right, so if we go over here and take this link, so we go into admin panel / admins / admins.php, so it will take us to this page, and this one for the categories, and let's go ahead and do our own categories. Change the folder to categories - admins. And if we look at the categories down here, okay, so it's shown us, we're gonna take maybe show categories. All right, and the last one is down here, which is posts, and we only like have one thing at posts admins, show posts admins, show posts.php. And if we save all of this, I'm guessing that's like everything that we have down here. So yeah, if we save all of this, we now go back over here, yeah, so it's actually admins PHP. So yeah, everything is looking fine now. So if we click on admins, now it's going to our own admins.php. Of course, we did not change the names. Still, they are HTML in categories and in posts, so we are going to be changing those later. All right, so now that we've changed, we got like the header and the footer for this one for the admins. Now we can go ahead and execute our own data, and maybe we'll like take some code that we already did. Maybe we'll go for the index down here, and maybe we will take all of this because it's basically the same. We don't need to like do this from scratch. Maybe we'll keep this as admins. Select all from admins. And this one is going to be admins because it's going to be executing. And this one will keep it rows. That's totally fine. And this one we're going to be fetching the admins. So I'm guessing that's totally fine. So we need to go right now and like remove the tr, those two, because we're only going to be like, we're going to be looping through this one. So if we go PHP for each rows as row, you can see that everything is getting repetitive right now. So you can go PHP echo row, and we're gonna snap the ID and can copy all of this, and this one's going to be admin name. So it's going to be admin name down here. All right, and the last one is going to be the email. All right, and here we can go ahead and end this for each, and for each, and this actually should be it. I don't see that we're doing anything that will trigger an error. But if we save all of this, go back and refresh, you can see that we actually got our own data down here. You can actually just change the admin name, but if we change it, it will not show up down here because this is like this is the one that's taken from the session. So let's not change it, that's fine. All right, so that's basically it. We've did everything. We did our own header and config. We did our own query. We executed it, and let's now limit 5. Maybe we'll limit it to like to 7. Maybe we'll do a pagination. I'll show you how to do a pagination in the future. So after we did our own query, we did our own execute and fetch, and after that we did our own for each. We said for every rows that we have, we want to keep it as row, and we want to go ahead right now and grab the instances that's inside our own object, as you've seen down here. All right, and we saved, and everything is looking great. And in the next one, I'm going to show you how to create your own admins. It's just basically like a registration page, right? So until this one, see you.